Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Day Trader David. So today we are going to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for a short-term trade. What I feel that the Bank Nifty can do in short term, we will see that. So before that, if you are someone new who is watching this video, definitely you can go through my contents. Here I provide daily market analysis video and also market analysis regularly and various other contents related to stock market. Okay, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified with that. Okay, so let's begin with Nifty. Let's talk about this is live market. So first of all we will try to analyze our support and resistance. Let's see. Let me just take you to 30 minutes chart. Okay, if you see Nifty, there is a clear breakdown as of today. Today market has given a breakdown. I was waiting for this level actually. So, but I'm watching it for a closing basis. I want that I want Nifty to close below this level. So earlier it is like took support at this level, but then again it came at this level and it clearly broke down, right? So now what is the possibility if Nifty closes below this level? Now, of course, there are multiple support at this level. Now, the simplest support that can act is this level, which can be, according to me, it should be 14,050 to 14,000 levels. Okay, it can act as a support levels because 14,000 level it shouldn't be broken at a single go, according to me. So 14,000 level, it looks quite possible because now as we see, right, this neckline was very important in Nifty. So here there is a breakdown. So 14,000 level looks quite possible, but overall if you see Nifty, if Nifty falls further, then the good support that I that we can identify Nifty is 13,800 level. Okay, Nifty can test 13,800. So I'm not saying that this might happen in 1 or 2 days, but that is the possibility as of now that I can see, right? So this is what I can see. Upside it is possible, but now there was a clear breakdown. But if it regains this level immediately, like let's say if it makes a U-turn today or maybe by tomorrow, if it takes a U-turn, then the scenario would be different. But here if it continues and here if it faces resistance, now no doubt this level is going to act as a resistance, which is 14,250 level. So from here some new sort of selling can come and Nifty can test 14,000 level or 14,050 levels, and from there if Nifty further falls, okay, then be sure that 13,800 would be the next level where Nifty can take a halt. Okay, so overall my view is Nifty can test 13,800 level. Also there is a small gap at this point, so Nifty can fill that level also. So that was about Nifty. Upside, I won't trade upside until there is a good confirmation or if Nifty closes above 14,260 level. Okay, 14,200 is a good level, but if Nifty closes above 14,260, then further we can go for buy on dips like that. Okay, so as of now Nifty looks bearish until 13,800 level. Okay, so this level, if 13,800 this level comes, would be the perfect place to go long, according to me. I would try to make some long positions at this level, which is 13,800. So let's see how Nifty performs in coming days, and we also have budget ahead, so we need to be trade cautiously. So let's talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty looks fantastic to me. Let me just take you all to 15 minutes chart in Bank Nifty. If you see Bank Nifty, then there was a clear breakdown in 15 minutes chart in Bank Nifty, right? Let me just show you that. if you check out this level, there was a clear breakdown at this point. At this point there was a breakdown and then a fall and then a retest and then again a fall. So overall bank nifty looks sell on rise according to me, but there is a important support. If you see this level, let me just draw, let's just go to higher time frame. Yeah, at this level there is a support, the line that I had drawn as of now. So if bank nifty needs to close below this level, okay, if it closes somewhere around here, then it would be fantastic for bank nifty. So overall where bank nifty can go, what is my expectation? Okay, let's talk about that. If we see bank nifty, we can see a good trend line over here. Let me just draw that. Earlier also I had posted on my Telegram channel as an analysis that do analyze 2 hours chart for bank nifty short term trade. So a lot of people did that. I appreciate that. Okay, so now if you see, there is a clear trend line over here, this point, this point. So according to me bank nifty can test this level. Okay, this level is 30,200 to 30,300 levels. So bank nifty can test this level and this would be a third visit of bank nifty. So remember, after third visit, if it gives a pullback and then comes again, then there is a possibility of breakdown. But this level here, we can initiate some longs at this level, which could be 30,200 to 30,300 if we get to see that level. Now the point is bank nifty should close below this support level, the support that I had drawn. If bank nifty should, if it closes even today, if you see there is a continuous 2 weeks, okay, so it should not make wicks indicates rejection from lower levels. So overall there should be a closing below this level, which is 30,900. If bank nifty breaks 30,900 and closes below that level, then make sure that this is possible. Bank nifty will definitely test this trend line because there is no other supports according to me as of now. Okay, so that is the possible nearest support that we can see, that trend line. So bank nifty can test that trend line, and once that trend line is tested, so at this level we need to be watchful if there is new longs are initiated or not. If longs are initiated, then bank nifty can again move up, but the possibility becomes, according to me, my view is a little bit slightly bearish. I am taking a bearish view because after a lot of analysis, so I'm not making this video a long video, it's just a short video, so I'm just sharing my views. Okay, if bank nifty breaks this level and it tests this, and again if it moves upside, let me just show. If this level is tested and again it moves upside, a retracement, then this level will act as a resistance, the complete area will act as a resistance. And from there, if bank nifty again comes back to this trend line, then there is a possibility that this trend line will be broken. So what will happen if this trend line is broken? Okay, that is the question. So my view is, if this trend line, if this current trend line breaks and bank nifty falls below this, then bank nifty will break this low. Okay, remember, if this trend line is broken, if bank nifty falls from here, then definitely I'm expecting this low to be broken, and this low is 29,000. Okay, so bank nifty can touch 29,000, 29,000, right? Yeah, 29,000, 28,900, somewhere on that. And if a further fall comes, then bank nifty will test this level. Remember, let me just draw that for you all. That level is this particular level. Okay, so overall, if we see a trend line breakdown from this level, then this level is possible, which is 27 or 28,000. Okay, 27,700, it looks 27,800 or 28,000, let's say. After this breakdown of this trend line, we might see 28,000 levels also in Bank Nifty. That is my expectation. My expectation as in, if Bank Nifty goes according to my analysis, right? We cannot say that it will fall, or we cannot say it should fall. If Bank Nifty follows, the first confirmation should be a closing below 30,900. A closing below 30,900 is important, and if that happens, then there is a possibility of this trend line testing. Bank Nifty can test the trend line, and after a retracement, sure, we are talking about a short-term trades, right? Short-term analysis. So after a retracement, if there is a breakdown again, then this level is quite possible. For that, the first target will be this low, will be the first target, and this will be the second target. The first target is 29,000 and second target is 28,000, which is almost 2,000 points. So 1,000 points gap between that. But the first step, as I repeat, a closing below 30,900 and then a trend line test and then retracement and then a fall. That should be the pattern according to my analysis. Okay, so that was about analysis that I wanted to share. Actually, I wanted to share this analysis 2 days before, but I was quite busy with some other stuffs and all. So today got some time. So that was about Bank Nifty. So if at all, if this analysis is useful, then make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends and with other fellow traders. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. I will meet you with some another analysis or learning video. Thank you for watching.